Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to add the background music widget to your Shopify website. First, go to Elfsight and choose the background music widget in the menu list. Link in the description. Click Create Widget. So, let's create your widget. Begin by choosing a template that suits your needs best. Click Continue with this template. Upload your audio tracks, customize the player's look and feel, and control playback options to create a unique music experience on your website. Choose between embedded or floating layouts and customize the player's position and mobile behavior to create a seamless user experience. Customize the player controls, enable extra features, and set default playback options for your audio tracks. Customize the colors, background, and fonts of your audio player to perfectly match your website's design. Click Add to Website to get the embed code for your website. Log in or sign up to Elfsight. It's free, no credit card required. After you sign up, you'll see the widget you just created. Click Save. Click on the code to copy it and go to your Shopify admin panel. In your Shopify admin panel, go to Online Store. To Themes, click Actions on your active theme. Then, Edit Code, and paste the widget code into the desired liquid file. Now let's add the app to your Shopify website. Open your online store page. If you're using the Online Store 2.0 theme, go to Sales Channel's right-pointing arrow Online Store. If you're using vintage themes, the ones prior to Online Store 2.0, you can find it in the left side menu. Click on the three dots button and choose Edit Code. Then open the theme liquid file in the Layout section. Paste the app installation code before the closing tag and save the changes. All done. Your app has been added to all pages. And that's it. Your background music is ready for visitors. All set in just a few minutes. Enjoyed the video? Support Elfsight, like, subscribe, and ask us anything in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.